All right. What's up, fam? I hope y'all are well. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. My apologies, y'all. I had did a reading this morning, and I just did not like that feel for the day. I was like, no. I said, no, I'm not uploading this. This is not going to be our reading for the day. I'm not doing this. So I didn't premiere it. It's uploaded. I didn't premiere it. I just, no. Okay, no, I couldn't do it. I said, we'll start over. So, me is back. It's after work. It's a little late. I had to do some running. Honey, it's about to snow here. So we had to get some stuff organized and together. But I'm going to go ahead and start reading here. I got a personal reading that I got to do in the background. And then, of course, I'll be right back over here again. So let's go ahead and dive in. Messages for Scorpio. All right, messages for Scorpio. What is it that Scorpio needs to know at this time? What is it that Scorpio needs to know at this time? All right, let's go. What is it that Scorpios need to know at this time, please, Spirit? What is rest and rejuvenation? Okay, some of y'all need to be resting, all right? Or y'all need a period to rest, okay? Some of y'all are like really tired, or maybe you're pushing yourself to the limit. Okay, some of y'all may be like, no, I don't need to sleep right now. I don't need to rest right now. Some of y'all need to meditate. Take some time to yourself, because what's about to happen is, Scorpio, y'all about to have an opportunity to go outside of your comfort zone in a way. Okay, because you got the garden and the gate here. So we got rest and rejuvenate, which is saying take some time out, rest, rejuvenate your energy, refresh your energy. Some of y'all need to drink some water. Some of y'all may need to do some breathing exercises, okay, like the type of thing. Okay, like some of y'all may need to do some breathing exercises or work on your breathing. Spirit wants you to just take some time out. Some of y'all may need to like kind of escape from the physical for a little while and go travel spiritually, like meditate, connect with your higher self, connect with your ancestors type of thing, with the rest and rejuvenation, because y'all are getting ready to step outside of your comfort zone. You got the garden and the gate. Some of y'all have been in the same comfort zone for a while now, and Spirit is ready for you to step outside of that. Okay, you already have the key. She has a key on her neck, all right? She has the answer. She has the opportunity to unlock it. It's like whatever you have built for yourself or created for yourself, it's very comfortable. It's very lush. Okay, it's everything that you could desire within it, right? But Spirit wants you to step outside and experience some new things, okay? It's time for some new things, some new ideas, some new beginnings, some new opportunities, meeting new people, trying new food, that type of thing, all right? Spirit wants you to rest up, because it's kind of like, maybe you've never traveled on the interstate. Okay, that could be a big thing for somebody. And Spirit's like, okay, it's time. It's time. Let's see, what else does Scorpio need to know? So rest first. What else does Scorpio need to know? Goddess of the Moon, tap into your intuition. Yeah, this is tapping in. Victory. Some of y'all need to meditate, because y'all about to come into some sort of victorious energy. Okay, something could be hidden. There could be hidden knowledge here. Find the book. Here it is. 52. Here we go. Intuition and going within. See, that's these two energies, and they're both bluish purple color. So some could have to do with your throat chakra again, like the chanting. What is it? I don't know what the throat chakra one is. Hold on. Yeah, I see you. Yeah. It's a throat chakra chant. Let me see. But some of y'all, Spirit wants you to... Oh, give me that. Thank you. Go over there. Go sit down. Go sit down and watch your TV. You've been at it all day, honey. Honey bunny. She been on go all day. Her arms are stretched. Let's see. Upward, receiving the light of the moon, the light of inspiration. Something about the moon could be significant to you as well tonight. This card is all about intuition, the ability to receive insights from your soul. Oh, you want this? That? Yep, check your temperature. The ability to receive insights from your soul's point of view. Juice? You can't have my juice. You want my juice? Hold on, y'all. Let me get her some more juice. Hold on. Okay, and the throat chakra mantra is hum. Okay, so I have to cut it by visualizing blue light in the throat, but or loving kindness mantras. The primary chant is the Baha mantra, hum. So, okay, hum could be significant for your throat. But anyway, this Goddess of the Moon, it says this card is all about intuition, the ability to receive insight from your soul's point of view. Receiving the card upright tells you that you have the power to get intuitive information on all types of issues, and now is the time to use it. So yeah, Spirit wants you to tap in, baby. The Goddess of the Moon brings you all sorts of information from the mundane to the spectacular. For instance, you could get the urge to take a different route home from work and find out later that you've avoided a 3-hour traffic jam, or you might have an idea for a great invention, a stock investment, or a spellbinding novel. This card also indicates a significant blossoming of psychic ability and mediumship, even on a professional level. So, you are always blessed with this ability to connect, but this card is telling you that now is the perfect time to open up. Get ready for the amazing inspiration this begins. This is why Spirit needs you to sit down, get still, take a minute, tap in. They need you to tap in right now, Scorpio, right now, because you're about to have some sort of victory. Look at that, 7th chakra. This your crown chakra. This your root chakra. Okay? So something about grounding, rooting yourself, sending energetic messages to the spiritual realm so you can bring them down to the physical realm, and Spirit needs you to tap in. That's basically what they're saying. Okay. Let's see. Other messages real quick, because I'm going to go ahead and get this one uploaded. What else? I want to do this. Tell me other messages for Scorpio. What else does Scorpio need to know? Tell me this energy. Why does Scorpio need to tap in like this? What is it that Scorpio needs to know? Award, bottom of the deck. It says winning money, payoff for effort, recognition, advancement, professional work, and fame. Because some of y'all could be mediums. You can do tarot. Okay. You could be known for this. This is also recognition. You're about to get some sort of recognition, and Spirit needs you to tap in. You could be getting lucky. You could be winning some sort of money, abundance. The cards that popped out is crown, overcoming obstacles, power play, wealth, owner, boss, taking charge, making progress. Y'all could be getting downloads about your work. You could be this boss energy. We got seals. Something about a contract could be coming up. Okay, something about some sort of documentation, gift of money, paperwork, okay, clerical work, something like that. And then you got moon. Okay, fleeting funds, unknown source, being guided, moonlight, odd jobs, night shift, part-time. You could also be knowing that something's going on with money, finances, or something going on with fleeting funds. Yeah. Something could be going on with money. And that could be another reason why you need to tap in. Some of y'all need to check your books. If you run a business and stuff like that and you got somebody else over your books and something, some of y'all need to check your books. Balance your checkbook, balance your books. And then this is also the energy of being guided. You're being guided towards some sort of victory. And that's why Spirit needs you to tap in, Scorpio. So I don't know. But Spirit wants you to tap in. They want you to get these messages. They want you to get these downloads. And they can't give them to you if you up busy running around doing this, doing that. They need you to be tapped in and focused. They need you to be tapped in and focused. A few messages here for Scorpio. Last few messages for my Scorpios, please. Last few messages for Scorpio. It says, love life. Affairs of the heart could cause future problems, but take heart as difficult situations will be resolved by a good decision this week. What else does Scorpio need to know? We have opportunities. An important offer will be made. Be prepared and dress to impress. Something could be coming up with a job opportunity or business opportunity. What else does Scorpio need to know? And we have achievement. Enjoy the limelight, you've earned it. Although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. So, somebody could be falling ill or getting sick as well. And that could worry you or stress you out. But yeah, Scorpio, I'm going to leave this one here. I hope this gives you some clarity and some insight. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. And I'll be back with another one, y'all. I promise. Uploads coming. I promise you. Uploads coming. Thank y'all. Bye, y'all.